What's going on, guys? So I'm going to show you an easy way you can create websites and funnels and a bunch of shit for free on Vercel app. So this is what I used to create my bio. So instead of using like Linktree or something like that, I created it through ChatGPT with the code, and then this is what it looks like. So whenever somebody clicks on this, it will obviously pop up with all this, and I put this app and deployed it as a website into my bio for social media. So I'll show you pretty much what it looks like. Let me just create a new chat, and I will, let's just say, create me a landing page funnel. Bring me in 7 3. I'll put $1 million. So what I do is I'll just ask ChatGPT create me the funnel, and then have it give it to me in code version, so I can take the HTML and just copy this pretty much once it's done. So great, and then I can copy this, and then I'll go into the Vercel app, and I'll just paste this into here, just like ChatGPT, and this will just generate. And it will show you a preview and all the code, and then you can add in on the side box if you want to add in the logos, add in some other stuff, and then you can deploy this and put it into an actual URL, and use this as a live link, put live links in here, live logos, and you can sell this specifically for somebody. You know, just sell this to marketing companies, sell this to businesses, just sell like these websites easy with AI, or literally charge people a retainer to build out their websites or funnels, whatever the case may be, completely through, you know, for free, just leveraging ChatGPT and the Vercel app. And yeah, so obviously you can update this. This would be the code. You can obviously change the video inside of the code to the video link that you would just add in there right here. You would just switch the link right here and save, and switch a lot of the stuff in the code if you want to change any of the logos, any of that stuff. And yeah, pretty much this is what it'll look like. And then you can deploy, and then deploy to production, and then it will deploy as a website once you get a live URL in there, and you could sell this, you know, to businesses, guys, easily. You know, sell these funnels, websites. Inside of here, you'll be able to see that there's so many different things you can create. And there's even like stuff in here that you can use as far as like a calendar app. You can create apps in here. It's really, really cool. So take a look at it. It's completely free. They have also a paid version as well. You can create landing pages, sign up forms, super sick. So this is something you guys can literally leverage to go and resell to businesses if you'd like. This is a cool little idea. I use it specifically for my landing pages, and then I insert it into my Go High level, and then run everything off there with all my automations and stuff in place. So yeah, guys, hope this helped. Shoot a like and a comment, and I will see you at the next video.